Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on an Epson XP8700. And this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now printhead alignment is a recommended step if you've got fuzzy looking prints or weird gaps or overlapping lines that the traditional cleans haven't helped. So if you're finding yourself in those circumstances, let's drag ourselves along and go into maintenance here. And then you'll see printhead alignment is the fourth option down. So press to go into that. Now, depending upon the issue you're having, you want to choose either vertical or horizontal alignment. For the vertical one, you get the example here, which revolves more around like the fuzzy looking, where things aren't kind of overlapping correctly as it's being printed, given in the example. And the horizontal alignment is the lines running across the page, which is caused by a similar thing, but it's more likely to be just a physical gap between the two or an overlap of the two, as demonstrated in this picture. Now I'm going to go straight into vertical alignment. If you wanted to look at the horizontal alignment specifically, I'll leave time codes in the description so you can skip straight to it. So, vertical alignment, press to print, give ourselves a few seconds. You'll get a page that looks something like this, with a whole series of blocks broken down into rows here. It's indicated 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we're doing on each of these rows is looking for the block with the very best result. As you can see on number 1, we've got some vertical lines in there. As we go along, 4's pretty much perfect, very minor issues. 3 and 5, more noticeable. And what we do is find the best block for each of those lines. So for line number 1, 4 is the correct. For 2, it's 3. And you just carry on in this way. And then we're done. Now, if you want to do horizontal alignment, the process is a little bit different. And as you can see, the page it spits out has these coloured bars. And what we're looking for here is the one that has the least overlap. Hopefully it'll be picked up on camera. You see on where the two blocks meet, it's like a slightly darker pink line on each of these. And we're just looking for the one where the blocks are touching and overlapping the least, which to me looks like number 5. So press it up, so that says number 5. Okay, to proceed, and we're done. Now, if you're absolutely convinced that it's an alignment issue you're dealing with, you can do these processes several times just to fine tune. If, however, you've got a print quality issue that isn't resolved by these processes, you might want to check out our dedicated cleaning and nozzle check videos as your first port of call. Missing colours or kind of severe print quality issues aren't always completely evident from the actual print, so the test pages produced in those processes is great for troubleshooting. But that's all there is to see here. If this video has been useful for you, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.